sexually transmitted diseases infections in the maritime industry. The maritime industry, a vital component of global commerce, is unique in its challenges and opportunities. It employs millions of seafarers who spend extended periods at sea, often far from their families and support networks. While the industry is integral to international trade, it also faces specific health concerns, including the risk of sexually transmitted diseases, STDs, and infectious diseases, STIs. These health issues pose significant risk to individuals, seafarers, and the industry as a whole, impacting productivity, health, and safety. That's all. Thank you.
I'm AJ Sahul. Understanding the risk seafarers often work under demanding conditions, characterized by long hours isolation and stress port visits, which provide a break from the monotony of the life at sea. Often, involve interaction with diverse local populations. This dynamic increases the likelihood of engaging in high-risk behaviors, such as unprotected sex or encounters with commercial sex workers, limited access to education on sexual health, and the lack of preventative measures such as condoms exacerbate this risk. Common STIs and their impacts. Among the common STIs affecting seafarers are HIV, syphilis, gonorrhea, chlamydia, and herpes. These infections can have severe health consequences if left untreated, ranging from infertility to chronic pain and life-threatening complications.
My name is Jasper Rezo. Barriers to prevention and treatment. Access to healthcare is a significant challenge in the maritime industry. Seafarers often lack immediate access to medical facilities while at sea, delaying diagnosis, treatment. Moreover, cultural taboos surrounding sexual health may prevent individuals from seeking help or discussing preventive measures openly. Language barriers, varying cultural norms, and inconsistent availability of educational resources further hinder effective STI prevention and management.
Hi, my name is Ginin Salao Dennis M. Addressing the problem preventing STIs in the maritime industry require a multifaceted approach. Employers must prioritize sexual health education, ensuring seafarers are informed about risks, prevention methods, and available resources. These include providing access to condom, encouraging regular health checkups, and implementing policies that support safe behavior. Organization can also collaborate with port to establish clinics that offer confidential STI testing and treatment for seafarer. Yun lang po. Thank you po.
I'm Angel Albert El Retor. The role of awareness campaigns play a crucial role in reducing the stigma associated with STIs and promoting healthier behaviors. Workshop informational sessions and digital resources tailored to the maritime community can help foster culture of awareness and responsibility. These campaigns should emphasize that seeking treatment for STIs is not a sign of failure, but a proactive step toward health and well-being. Conclusion: sexually transmitted infections pose a unique challenge to the maritime industry, but they are preventable and manageable with the right strategies. By addressing the root causes of high-risk behaviors, improving access to healthcare, and fostering culture of openness and education, the industry can protect the health and well-being of its workforce. A healthy crew is not just an asset to the shipping company, it is essential for the safety and sustainability of the global maritime trade.